Okay, so when we're installing this, you're going to get a crush washer. Okay, and you'll see that the crush washer has a rounded, sort of rounded side, cone shaped if you will, and then I'll say a flat side, but it's actually concaved on this side. So the narrower side, if you will, is going to go towards the stock of the rifle. Okay. Now with this particular muzzle brake, these notches have to be lined up at the top. So we're gonna just hand tighten this on here. And without tightening it, it's pretty darn close. So I'm afraid it's gonna go off a little bit, but let's get the torque wrench out and torque her on there a bit and see where she goes. So let me go ahead and just mount it back on here so I get something stable. Okay, so we grabbed the torque wrench and we torqued this guy down to about 20 foot-pounds. The VG6 is supposed to be able to reduce recoil. I'm going to test it out for sure, but the ports on the side obviously, and then the ports on the top are supposed to expel the gas so it can bring the muzzle back down. Question is, how is it going to affect the optics, etc.? Don't know, but